Hello everyone, welcome to Delicious Life. Today we will make Pastel Tutup. Let's begin. On medium heat, add your butter on a large pan. Wait for it to sizzle. And then add your chopped onion and minced garlic. I use pre-minced garlic. Stir until combined. And then add your boneless chicken. I use chicken thigh. And cook until it's almost well done. Add your frozen mixed vegetables. And then your smoked ham. You can also use smoked beef. And vermicelli noodle that has been soaked in hot water, drained, and cut into smaller pieces. Stir until combined. Add your chicken bouillon powder and ground nutmeg. This is an important spice in Indo-Dutch recipes. And then 2 tablespoons of flour. This will make sure that the sauce is thick and creamy. And last but not least, the milk. Gently stir the mixture until it's thickened and bubbly. Pour the fillings into a pie dish or a 22 cm cake pan. Set it aside. Let's prepare the mashed potato. In a large bowl, combine hot water, melted butter, and potato flakes. Mix, mix, mix. Gradually, add the milk. This is the easiest and the fastest way to make mashed potato. You can always substitute this recipe with mashed potato that you made from scratch. Spread the mashed potato over the fillings. To make the pie golden brown, brush the egg wash all over the surface. And generously sprinkle the cheese. Bake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes and broil until brown. Here you have it, Pastel Tutup, Indonesian shepherd's pie. I hope you try it.
Fun!
Yeah.
Cobain. Try it.
It smells so good.
I know it's
It
the
smells
whole
so good.
kitchen smells so good.
Ngon quá.
Ngon banget.
Ngon quá. So the potato part is actually really soft, and everything in the middle is really milky, and the top part is kind of crispy, which is really good.
Ooh, sounds so good.
It's good. Okay. That's it for today. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments below. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!